got a special ride today. We're out in Trafalgar, and we got the boys from Todd's ATV with us. There's Big Mike on the 1000. We got Boats on the 850. There's Todd himself, the man, the myth, the legend. What's going on today, Andrew?
What we're going to do is we're going to take the boys out a little ride in Trafalgar. So we're going to start here in Pictou County. We're going to go to Guysborough County, and then we're going to go to Halifax County. We're going to go trying for about 80 kilometers today. So try to do some mud, some rocky trails, and we'll see where that gets us. So just going to have some fun.
Better yell.
And how could you not? All right, first good trail of the day, folks. We got all our boys with me. I'm in the lead today, unfortunately, because we all know how my memory is. But we'll muddle our way through. As long as we got a good crew, we'll have a good time, no matter what we get into. So I got, I'm in the lead, and then I got Kevin and Mike behind me, and then Joshy's in the middle.
And Kevin. What? Oh, it's Robbie. Yeah, Todd said he'd show up at 5:30. He's up your rear. Putting that Polaris 850 to the death. I remember this trail all too well.
Josh just saying he remembers this trail. We've been through this trail a few times, and they were both in the winter. So there's a ton of ice. Like this, got the really long ice, had the really long ice patch or water in it. So but again, someone was in, cleared it all out, so that's really good. So it's going to be a little bit of a learning experience today. We don't know how these guys ride yet. Hopefully they're ride like us, like grandpas.
Some old bike therapy. I don't know how fucking hard my week was, but yeah.
There we go. This is the one with the headstones on it.
Headstones, doesn't remember that. the cemetery trail. You behind me, Kev? Oh yeah. The bonnet. You must be getting ahead a little bit, Andrew. You're cracking them. Okay. You can hear that in your headphones too, eh?
Yeah, I can tell when I'm getting a little far. I'm also trying to kind of maintain a pace too, but I'm trying to pace these guys out, see how fast or slow they want to go.
We can switch up. I can go in the front for a little bit if you want. Once we get to the end of this trail, I'll hook up in the front. No matter me. You can take my spot. I'm like 4 back. Yeah. Okay.
Sonny's Road right now, doing the bridge crossing. A little rough. Holy geez, back here all you can smell is exhaust. Well, you're setting quite a pace here. So what you're saying is I probably shouldn't get a 1000 because it's slow. How the hell did we get so far off the trail?
How's Todd making out back there?
Just back there doing his thing.
So where are we going from there? Just up to the left? You guys alright? Bored yet?
Kev, you're up. Head-on collision.
Oh, shit.
Battle of the bikes here now. Muddy there now. Well, folks, where once there was no mud hole, there is now a mud hole. And it's a pretty decent mud hole to boot. She's a pretty decent one. So good job on the boys. So yeah, we're on a trail that's today, this is not on the map. This is a unmarked trail. They are the best ones. We're probably going to see some pretty good Fiona damage too. That's some there. There was some Fiona damage down through here, but we're going to go to a spot today called the Bed Rail Bridge, and at the end of that you can really see the damage. But this is a great trail. It's got got some water on it. Just had fun in the mud hole. Mud hole. Oh yeah, up there is where the deer blind is. Up to the right, yeah, there's a deer blind up on the right there, but I don't know if anyone's been into it in a while. Yeah, this is all Fiona damage all through here. A lot of work cutting this out of here. It is really growing up. Pick your way through here. There's so many rocks, sticks. Yeah.
This fella, Andrew, this is the guy who does all the clearing? Yeah. This fella here, Mike, he clears a lot of these trails out here.
Nice.
Yeah, he's got a, what's he got, Andrew, a little Suzuki or something?
So, this is the camp. There's an old fellow that lives down the road. He has camp here. It's his hunting camp, his family camp. Yep. He's the guy that creates all that whole trail. He cut that.
Nice.
And he maintains all these trails around here. He's got an old King quad with a little trailer on the back. We might run into him today because he's usually out.
Yeah. Perfect.
And
probably in there having a nap.
But he's an older gentleman, and man, he works hard. Like all that storm damage coming through there, that's Fiona damage. He cleared all that. He cleared all that. It was crazy. It's a hobby, I guess. Yeah.
He likes almonds.
I cleared some pile of trail out here myself. So we're just checking out a camp. You're ringing the doorbell?
Yeah.
I don't think he stays here.
Might not know.
I thought that was a remote to the TV. That's a book.
Full-size fridge, big old wood stove.
Yep.
Oh, car seat. Well, there you go. It's not complete unless you got a van seat in her.
Try with a cup holder.
She's small.
You got a cup holder. It is small. Sign the book.
Sign the book and the sticker there, Joshy.
Yeah,
I don't know, you brick.
Holy jeez, she's coming down, boys! She's coming down!
Who's coming down?
Harry fixed it.
Let me get down.
back on the trail again. Little snack. Our old bud Todd. What is? Oh yeah. Oh, that bridge. Yeah, we didn't really have a good chance to talk at first. We got just ready and left. That's the way we went last time. Yeah. Oh, there's the bridge there. Yeah.